Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to create an account on Slack. So Slack is basically a communication platform where you could properly and efficiently communicate with your team. You could organize a proper workplace, manipulate and handle any files, have meetings and everything which would ensure that you're working in a very professional environment. So let's see how we could create an account on the website. For starters, just go on to the main website. And once you've reached slack.com, just select try for free. So you would be redirected towards the Slack landing page for getting started. If an account has already been logged into your computer, you could just scroll down and select try a different email from here. If you haven't done that, if anybody else has never logged on to the Slack website before from your computer, you would see this particular page. Okay, now you would enter your work email if you have one. And it's of course better to enter the work email because then you could later on add all the contacts which are signed up to the same domain name, and hence your colleagues would be able to get added with you very easily. But for now, since I'm just showing this to you just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use a dummy email. And once I've done that, I would select continue. Okay, now I've got my email logged in here. I just see if I've got any updates. Yes, this is the confirmation code which I received. I can just copy this code. And once this is copied, I would just paste it in here. And the code has been verified. And now I could create a workspace, sorry. And I could untick this option if I do not want to be spammed from Slack. Okay, now it's time to create our workspace. So first of all, let's name our team. It could be anything for now. And you could just type whatever your company name is. If you're the leader of your company, if you're a team lead and you're designing the team name and everything on Slack, so you could just choose in the name of your company. In my case, I would just select something at random. Okay, now I would select next, and the next question asked from me is if I am working on any particular project or campaign right now with my team, so I could just type in anything. Okay, now I could add in any of my coworkers, and this is the part where it is useful to have your work email in, because you could quickly add the people, but you could just type in any emails you have for anybody else who's your coworker. So anything xyz@gmail.com, of course, a very random email. And you could also use this option to get a shareable invite link. If you click on that, a link is copied to your clipboard, and then you could send it manually via email or via even WhatsApp or Facebook or whatever platform you use, and have teammates sign up. And of course, you could skip this step. I just select this because this is just for demonstration purposes. I would select skip step. So now my workspace is being launched. I could also use it in my browser, or I could download the app if I like. This is the good thing about Slack. If you do not want to download any software separately, you could just select the web browser you have and just use Slack from that web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, as you must have seen. And this is how you just set up your Slack account. And as you could see, my whole profile has been created. I could of course edit it later on if I like, update by status. There are a lot of options to explore, but this is how you create a proper account on Slack.